Morning mission, finding a brake cable. Daisy's fixed gear has been sitting around for ages now, needing a repair job. So I finally got hold of a brake lever, but I don't have the right brake cable. They're like mountain bike little style brake cables. So on a mission today, it's the weekend. I don't know if any shops are open, fingers crossed. Oh. Well, first choice, it's where Brian works, so always my first choice. Unfortunately, they're closed. I think because of coronavirus, not because it's a Saturday. The search goes on. You saved the day. Thanks, man.
When the headset turn, look, you got like a cover turn like that.
Yeah.
That's ugly. I don't know why they do that.
Thank you. When are you moving?
Week or two.
There you go. Day saved by Paul from Paul Cycles. Daisy's bikes are so big. She has like normal size torso but really, really long legs. So all of our bikes are just massive and take up loads of space. Whoever makes this cable comes with both ends. So you just cut the one off you don't need. There is 100% something wrong with my eyes. I cannot get a saddle straight on a seat post. Ever. First time riding fixed in
New York.
Over a year. Don't stop pedaling.
I did have a moment going downhill where I tried to stop pedaling. I feel more confident using my legs instead of using the brake. Because I crashed on this bike, it gives me a lot of anxiety. I rode it for like a year, and in my head I'm like, I can't do it.
Successful fixed gear bike test. Now, busy day. Studio, pizza. That's not that busy. To that lady.
Look at all the cars, like where are all these people going?
Thanks, man. So just running a couple of errands now. I wanted to pick up some stuff at the studio, and then we're doing some family stuff, and then go for pizza afterwards. So my mate Pascal runs Santa Maria Pizza, the best pizza in London. I think they were voted like best in the UK actually, and they've got a new pop-up location since lockdown to fulfill everyone's pizza needs. How are you? I've got one of those shirts. We should have all worn them. All the viewers want them, they'll be jealous. There's loads of people in the comments saying, oh, why did you get one of those t-shirts? Yeah. Wait, Lou, you've all seen her before. Lou's going to be doing a 3-day stage race on RGT, like a virtual thing in this shop, and I'm going to film it in the next video. Why am I out of focus? It's just focused on your face.
Well,
what's the race series? What is it?
it's the Skoda V Series Women's Tour, which should have been this last week. In real life, but they've taken it to virtual, and it's on next Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, being televised and everything.
Cool, so we're going to come cheer you on.
Yes, so we had a test event last night, which was meant to be everyone just like checking their equipment, stuff like that. It was full gas race, and I messed up because I'm used to racing on Zwift, and I have a bright pink bike, and I'm used to my kit. Last night everyone's in their team kit, so I'm in green, which I don't know
which person you were.
Well, I thought, I was looking at myself going, oh yeah, I'm still with the lead pack, and then I thought, that's weird. The angle seems to be like backing off, and I was like, that's not me! That's me off the back! So
this is why you have a test event.
Yes. So then I was like trying to bridge the gap, doing 10 watts per kilo, going, this is not sustainable. Yeah, it was full on.
So there you go, if you want to see Lou suffering on Thursday, tune in on Thursday. By the time I've edited it, tune in on Thursday. That's a door handle. This looks,
box.
yeah, it looks like I've just ordered a box.
Oh my god, all my face
Static. It smells good. This is a cutting board for cutting, but also quite good for the overhead camera setup. Nice neutral background. Move Lawrence's shit one. Pizza? I'll take this with me. It is now officially pizza o'clock. I am so hungry. You know when you have a couple of days off riding and then it all like recruits and you start recovering properly and you just eat everything. That's the stage I'm in. It's guilt-free pizza. Angelic Pizzeria. That way.
Show me some. Show me. Show me some. Show me. Show me some. Show me. Show me some. Hey, show me some. Show me. Show me some. Show me. Show me some. Show me. Show me some. Hey, hey, hey.
If you don't have the motor on and you try and ride it,
It's super heavy.
It adds 250 watts.
Wow.
So she's already doing 250 watts up a climb, and then it adds another 200.
So you're riding like...
I'm hanging on.
Like a lot.
I'm hanging on. It's been a long time. I haven't seen.
Too long.
So I haven't seen you in the videos enough.
Too long, it's your fault.
Yeah. Why are you in here? What's going on?
We're making pizza here as well.
Yeah.
We can make as much pizza as we need to anywhere in London.
In like a.
In a car.
What is this?
This is basically a car garage. It's a supercar garage. There's this guy called Merlin, aka Duke of London. It's Porsche.
As long as they're not looking. He's got his headphones in. He can't hear us. Look.
Some incredible, like rare. Look at that. I don't even know what is that.
So these are just customers' cars.
This is,
and they bring them here because they look after them well, or what?
Yes, they either store or they sell them as well. You know, if you want to sell your car, if you have a car like that, if you want to sell it, come over and Merlin will sell it for you. And that's it. Yeah. Plus now we increasing the operations. Now here there's the guy called Sam who trains Formula One athletes, drivers. Formula 1, Formula 2.
Yeah.
You might know him, it's called Sam.
In his training studio.
Yeah.
And you just thought, you rang them up and you were like, can I just put a pizza restaurant inside? And they were like, yeah.
I think your pizza might be ready as well.
Cool. There's some nice stuff in here, mate.
Yeah. Like this Giulia here, this Ferrari here.
Yeah.
There's like every day like some new car shows up. There's our chefs.
Hello. How's it going, man?
Francesco.
He said he's found a vegan cheese that's actually good, which is quite an achievement. So there you go, best pizza in London. Get down to Brentford. It's not just for lockdown. They're going to be a permanent fixture inside that supercar workshop or whatever it is. It's worth it just to check out some of the cars there.
Holy shit, that's like vibrating the house. Can you imagine if we were out in this? I think it'd actually be quite fun. Should we go back out? Or the fixed gears?
That's the end of today's video. I'm going to put a link down below to a podcast that I recently did with Dustin Klein. Loads of you guys will know who Dustin is already. Amazing filmmaker, does YouTube content. As usual, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, please leave a like, put a comment down below, and I'll see you guys soon.